Welcome. I understand you've had the opportunity to learn about Rnetwork and our unique marketplace known as the Participation Marketplace, built entirely for the benefit of the members. Let me take the next few minutes to give you a little more insight into what we have to offer. As you can see here, our Participation Marketplace is made up of a variety of markets. Right now we have our retail market, which includes our global mall with name brand stores like Nike, Overstock, GoPro, and many more. This market also includes Perks, which offers local discounts on dining, shopping, and entertainment. Our travel market includes our exclusive travel portal with discounts on hotels, car rentals, and cruises. Our home and business services market includes our concierge services for your mobile, auto, and home security needs. Our medical market includes a discount prescription card for both you and your pets. Our financial market includes our concierge services for mortgages in the US and Canada. And coming in 2020, you get paid on swipes when people use their debit card from Rnetwork Bank, which will include all the traditional banking services you currently enjoy, but also many new, innovative products and services that you can't get at any other bank. In 2020, you'll see our brand market, and even some classified markets. Why are people participating? It's simple. We are uniquely positioned to disrupt the advertising and online marketplaces by combining multiple trillion-dollar industries and sharing the profits with our members. So how do you get started with Rnetwork? You can join as either a free customer, also known as a fan, or as a charter member, which also allows you to earn commissions. With a one-time enrollment of $25 and a $50 monthly subscription, you're now placed in the team building structure, or TBS. This allows you to start making money in the TBS as members on your team save money by participating in the marketplace. Now, how do you make money with Rnetwork? First, achieve your Power 3 bonus. Personally enroll 3 charter members and receive the Power 3 $50 monthly bonus and unlock all 10 tiers of the compensation plan. The Power 3 bonus can be achieved at any time. However, if you achieve your Power 3 bonus within your first 7 days of becoming an Rnetwork charter member, you'll receive the Power Up, one-time $75 bonus in addition to your Power 3 $50 monthly bonus. That's $125 earned in your first 7 days of being in business, and now you're cash flow positive. Let's take a quick look at the TBS. It's a 3x10 team building structure composed of 3 teams and 10 tiers, where you'll earn a minimum of $2 for every active charter member in your qualified tiers, whether you enrolled them or not. Now that you understand the basics of the TBS, let's show you the real magic of the Power 3 compensation plan. It's called stacking commissions. Let's just look at one position. Let's say Roger is a charter member and his monthly product subscription pays a $2 commission. For this example, let's also say that Roger uses the R Mobile product, which pays a $1 commission. He also purchased a car through R Auto, and it has a $4 commission, and he also purchased 2 products from the Global Mall this month, and they have a 10 cents and a 30 cents commission. That means that this one position pays out $7.40 in commission to the TBS. But wait, it gets better. What if Roger had 3 fans? And between these fans they purchased an R Mobile plan, a car from R Auto, and each of them purchased just 1 product from the Global Mall. All of these purchases pay out commissions to the same TBS position, making the total compensation for this position $12. So you see, each TBS position is more like a business center, because each position has unlimited earning potential, which helps you earn more and more commissions. And just imagine how these commissions will stack up as Rnetwork continues to expand and add products and services into your participation marketplace. What makes Rnetwork different? Well, you make money when other people save. You don't have to sell anything, you just share savings. You get paid on swipes when people use their debit card from Rnetwork Bank, and you're not required to purchase anything. The power is in the network, and Rnetwork is already open in over 30 countries. North America, Latin America, Europe, and India, just to name a few. Also coming in 2020, Rnetwork is going public on the stock exchange. Our goal is to lead the participation marketplace financial movement, and timing matters. All companies go through 3 phases: formulation, momentum, and stabilization. People who join a company at the ground level are most likely to profit from the tremendous growth that occurs during momentum. This is where the fortunes are made. We're the first to market with something that's never been done before. I want to thank you for taking this time, and I encourage you to get back with the person who shared this with you and ask them how you can start to participate here at Rnetwork.